You are going to love the 2024 Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, leather seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.